In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Gmail account using Google Authenticator. Whether you've changed devices or have lost access to your authentication app, we'll guide you through the process to ensure you regain your account access swiftly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Google account page. You'll need to be signed in, so if you're not already, go ahead and log into your account. Once there, you'll notice your profile icon at the top right of the screen. Click on this icon, it should open a small menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Manage Your Google Account. This option directs you to your account settings page, where you can manage a variety of features related to your account security and preferences. On this page, you'll see a side menu. Locate and click on Security to dive into your security details. Within the Security section, scroll down until you find the two-step verification option and click on it. If you've previously set up Google Authenticator for added security, this is where you'll be able to manage that setup. You might be prompted to input your password again here for verification purposes. After clicking on two-step verification, you'll see options related to the Authenticator app. Choose the Authenticator app option. If you need to set this up on a new device, select Change Authenticator app or change phone number. These options will guide you through setting up the Authenticator on a new or different phone. If you're unable to use the Authenticator app, there's no need to worry. Google provides alternative methods. You'll see options to link a different recovery method, such as a text message to your phone number or a backup code. Selecting one of these options can also help you regain access to your account. In case you still face challenges and none of the recovery options seem feasible, you can reset your password. Click on Forgot Password to begin the password recovery process. You'll need to verify your identity through various possible recovery processes. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used with this account before for enhanced security. And there you have it, a series of easy steps to recover your Gmail account using Google Authenticator or through other recovery options available to you. Thanks for tuning in today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Stay safe and see you in the next video.